Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Info Hub. In this video, we will discuss about the birth control methods, or you may say the methods of contraception. The population of our country that's tremendously increasing. Although India has the sufficient food resources, but still it's quite difficult for a number of the families to provide proper food, shelter, and education to their children. And it also becomes difficult for the government to provide food, shelter, and proper education to each and every citizen. So, the size of the family that should be reduced by adopting the family planning. If you have visited a hospital, you may see a slogan there, Hum do, Hamare do. So, in the present scenario, where we have the limited resources, it becomes quite mandatory to opt to the birth control methods. The preventing, or you may say the prevention of pregnancy in women is termed as contraception. And any device or method used for this contraception is termed as contraceptive. These contraceptives or methods of contraception have been broadly divided into three main categories. One is the barrier methods, another is the chemical method, and third one is the surgical method. In barrier method, a condom or a cap or a diaphragm is used by the males and females to prevent the fusion of the sperms and the eggs. This condom, it's usually used by the males to cover their pins so that the sperms they are collected in this and they do not meet the eggs. Or the scab, it's introduced by the females into their vagina in the cervix to prevent the fusion of the sperms with the eggs. This condom, it's of a great benefit as it protects a person from getting sexually transmitted diseases, that's gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS, and no other preventive methods or methods of contraception prevent a person from getting these sexually transmitted diseases. In chemical methods, two types of pills they are used by the females. One is the oral pills, another is the vaginal contraceptives. In oral contraceptives, oral pills are taken orally. For example, we have the I pill or unwanted 72. These pills contain the hormones which prevent the ovaries to release the eggs into the oviduct. And these vaginal contraceptives they contain the chemicals, that is the spermaticides, which kill the sperms in the vagina. Thus the sperms they do not reach to the oviducts and they do not fertilize the eggs there. Surgical methods can be opted by both males and females. In males, a small portion of the sperm duct, that's the vas deferens, is cut, and both the ends they are tied, thus preventing the sperms to come out. And this technique it's termed as vasectomy. And in females, a small portion of the oviduct, or you may say the fallopian tube, is cut, and then both the ends they are ligated or tied up together, which prevents the ovary to release the egg into the oviduct. And this technique is termed as tubectomy. But remember, this technique it should be carried out by a medical professional or a doctor. Hope from this short video you have understood the basic methods of the contraception. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.